Good afternoon, traders. This is Raksha from Absolute Analytics. Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the most powerful chart patterns in technical analysis, and that's a symmetrical triangle. We will break it down step by step, and we will measure the target, how to trade such patterns, how to set the targets, and I'll be using Phoenix Mills Limited, one which is on my radar since a long time. I think I have given a call also, which didn't go well in the intraday burn, but it is still on the radar because of what I'm going to explain you now. You'll understand. So, first thing, it is purely for the learning purpose, which I'm showing right now. But along with that, we're also analyzing Phoenix Mills Limited for upcoming future trade setups, right? So let's get started. And before starting, I'll just need to ask you one question. I want to ask you a question that have you ever wondered why after a rally, price just goes flat after a massive rally instead of just collapsing? It can go like this and this, right? No. So I'll show you why it happens. So a symmetrical triangle, this pattern happens when buyers support the line. I'll draw along just to make you understand better. So buyers, they just support this. They support this. They hold the support line here, while the sellers try to just push the prices from the top again and again. We have bought here again, again, again. Okay. So do you see this higher lows and then lower highs like this? So this is squeezing and creating one symmetrical triangle. It is compressing the energy. Okay. Now how do we validate that? One simple thing, you can just see a RSI. Okay. In RSI, since there was a symmetrical triangle, there is no overbought or oversold condition. It is just hovering around in between. It means the momentum is being coiled up. The momentum is just coiling up and it is ready to jump. Because in one of our most very famous quote, a neutral RSI means it is a stored momentum. So whenever, like here, it was a neutral RSI, and see the blast is given. Again, it was a neutral RSI here, and see the blast from here to here, from here to here. Now we are back to this. We are storing this energy. This price, this stock is storing the momentum here, and we're ready for one breakout very soon. Very simple how to trade this symmetrical triangle. First, we have to calculate the height of the triangle. The height of the triangle means the higher high from where it has started the triangle. Always remember, from where it has started the triangle till the base here. It's a solid base here. So it's almost near about 678 or 680 points. I'll just take the round up. So our base is our height is 680 rupees. Okay. Now this height, whenever the market is giving a breakout in a triangle, this height is very important. So if the price is breaking from for the upside rally, our target will always be the base of the price, which is almost near, I think, 1400 something. So I'll just take roughly of 1400 plus 680. Okay, so that's almost around, it's 2080. So 2080 will be the target. Very simple way is just visually, if you want to understand, just draw a line like this from base to height, and this is where our first this is where our first target will be. It's almost 2090. It's almost near about the same price, 2080, 2090, 10 rupees. One more trick I'll tell you: keep the highest high as your first target, and that comes to 2068. See, don't get confused with the chart right now, don't get confused with the prices right now. I will give you the price I will give you the proper analyzed price of this chart. Right now, I'm just giving you the explanation how a symmetrical triangle works. Right now, how should we trade this? To trade this, wait for the breakout. Maybe it might be taking one more round like this. Wait for the breakout, retest, and then go for the buy. Okay, so the aggressive buyers can just take the entry just on the breakout and putting the SL on this line as a support. Conservative traders, those who doesn't want to risk much, they should wait for the retest of this as a support, and then they should go for a buy. On another side scenario, which as is educational one, I'll explain you the either side of the story. Right now, the price, if it is breaking down, then what? Then what will be our target? So at that price, our target will be, as the base price is 1400 only, minus 680. Simple. So either side, if it is going up or it is going down, it will be the same one. Okay. So generally, one more very important tip, or the for us for trading a symmetrical triangle, is generally it gives the breakout with within the 65 to 80, 60 to 80% of the span of this. Span means, um, you can say, from the highest point, this is the span, right? How many days or how many weeks. So generally it gives this span, generally it gives like 60% to 80% of it. And it has already, like, from the tip to the apex, the span will be from the tip to the apex. So the tip is here and apex is almost like here. It's almost 546 days, right? And we are right now, from the tip, we are right now at 420 days. Okay, so we'll just calculate 420 divided by 589, it was there, right? So it's 71.3. So it's almost given 71.3, 71.3% of the span already is done. So based on this, we can actually expect a breakout very soon in this Phoenix Mall. I'll share you all the chart. I'll share you all the detailed chart of this very soon. Now, right now, this is for the learning purpose. The tip to be taken here is the height. Remember the height of the triangle. The either side of the breakdown or breakup, it will give the base price plus height or base price minus height. The span of the breakout is from 60. It's generally from 60 to 80%. Right now we're right now trading at 71%. So very soon we'll have a breakout in Phoenix Mall. I am expecting on a upside breakout for the higher targets here. Well, I'm bullish on Phoenix Mall right now. I'll share you that later on. And if you have any query regarding to this, or if you have any confusion with what I have explained right now, you can drop down in the comment. And if you like the video, definitely you just share and like and subscribe to our channel, and just share it with all the enthusiasts, the trading enthusiasts here. They can also get benefit from this. Well, signing off right now. I see you soon on our channel, and I'll just wait for the chart. I'll just update the chart there with the precise and calculated targets there. See ya. Take care and have a very profitable day.